How to stop Microsoft Edge from blocking downloads. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Microsoft Edge blocking your downloads. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Microsoft Edge. After you open up your Microsoft Edge, you will need to head over to the three dots on the top right corner. After you tap on the three dots, there you will see different options pop up. You will need to head over to settings. So find your settings and tap on it. Now this will take you to your Microsoft Edge's settings. After you're here, what you'll need to do is on the left sidebar, you'll find an option called cookies and site permission. Now this might be the problem, this might not be the problem, but this can sometimes block your downloads. So head over to cookies and site permissions, and after you're here, there you will see different options. Now here what you'll need to do is you can head over to cookies and site data, and there you will see an option called block. So what you'll need to do here is check if there is any site added on block, and if there's not any site added here, you are basically good to go. And there's also an option called block third-party cookies. Make sure that this is turned off as well. After you do that, you can then head back, and yeah, that's basically how you fix this issue. All you have to do is make sure that you've turned off this block third-party cookies, and yeah, you're good to go. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. That's all. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.